IFA 2018 coverage sponsored by Philips Hue.
Hey guys, Nicole Scott here from Mobile Geeks, and I'm taking a look at the HTC U12 Life. So this is a 6-inch smartphone that has that classic HTC look on the back. There you can see we have that liquid glass that always scratches as soon as you put it into your pocket. So HTC has decided to take a stab at, hear that? Doing some laser cutting on the back to give it a texturized background so that when you touch it, it doesn't look like crap. See, look, I'll try here. There, fingerprint, boom, looks terrible. But I kind of like this because this is where you would hold the phone naturally, and so it won't actually, you know, get all screwed up. We have a dual camera set up on the back here, dual flash here, which is really nice. Fingerprint sensor there. This is a 16 megapixel camera. This isn't sapphire glass. I feel it's like some sort of acrylic. At the top, boom, we have the 3.5 headphone jack, which is really fantastic. I'm really happy about that. Along the side, you can see that we have a physical button as well as the volume rocker. There's no EdgeSense stuff going on here because, well, cost, this is a mid-range phone. There along the bottom, you can see that we have a USB Type-C, that's 2.0, and then we have a speaker here and a speaker there. Around the front, you'll see that we have another front-facing camera that is 13 megapixel, which is something that I like to see. Let's just try that out. Okay, look at that, looking good here at Hotel Berlin. Flash that around there, and then you can see that we have our dual cameras in action. But we have a Snapdragon 636 processor with 4 gigabytes of RAM. This model here comes with 64 gigabytes of storage, and in Taiwan we are going to see a 128 gigabyte variant. This is an LTPS display, which means that it should be a lower power consumption, which is good because when you pair it with the 3600 milliamp hour battery and the mid-range processor, this means that this should be kind of a battery life beast, but we'll have to, you know, wait and see what happens with that. This won't come pre-installed with yours, this News Republic Blink feed stuff, because this is going to be Android 8.1 with Sense, a light version. So that means that it's not going to come with EdgeSense because we have Google Assistant launched everywhere. So it's going to be a slightly more pared down version just to, you know, make it not so HTC heavy. But we still have the classic app drawer. Everything really reminds us of what EdgeSense looks like. So this has just been a quick look at the HTC U12 Life here in Berlin. I'm really digging this laser etching here on the back. Let me know what you think in the comments. This is the lilac version, but the other one, the midnight blue, will be the one that most people will likely buy, but this one to me pops a little better on camera. So, Nicole Scott here for Mobile Geeks.